Good morning, YouTube fam. Welcome, peeps. Welcome to my channel. This has been a while since I've been on here. In case you're wondering where I am, my sister's watching this. I'm picking her up at 11 o'clock because we're going to do a bit of retail therapy. But before I could do that, I had to go up and collect boxes from Mimi's for packing. The girls, God bless them, gave me a ass load of boxes, so I'm sucking these up. I just need to get newspaper and then I'll start packing up stuff. Newspaper and tape and I'll start packing up shit. So I'm sitting up in Mimi's. I decided when I was up here, I picked up the boxes, I'd have a quick cup of coffee. I swear to God, I'm knackered today. I was in the hospital yesterday, as I told you all. And nothing exciting to report. Same old shite, different day and week, you know. Now, I'm looking for fake sugar because, man, this coffee is not sweet. Okay, so this is my first vlog of 2 days. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, wasn't sweet enough for me. Ooh. Right, I'm just going to sit here, sip my coffee and talk to you. I'm going to go on Facebook Live in a minute as well because I'm sure some fuckers on there want to ask questions. I know I'm only messing, I love you all. So that's me, done, going shopping. I have a shopping list of a few bits I want in Boots, but I'm not buying anything particular, just go browsing with my sister. Spend a bit of time with her because I don't see her as much as I'd like to. She's a good skin, my sister. She's a lady. Anyway, dears, I shall talk to you in a few minutes on Facebook Live. Anybody that's watching this, ciao.